it's Kat. I just got my makeup subscription, so today's gonna be a good day. My channel. So for today's video we're gonna be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing to see what I got this month. And this is my second BoxyCharm box that I got, and my first one I was in love with it, so I'm really excited to see what I got in this box. Also, this look was from my previous video of my ghost story time. Get ready with me, and I'll link that below in the description box so you guys could check that out. So let's open this thing up. Oh god, I opened this so horribly. There we go. All right, so let's open this up, and the first thing that I see is, I think this is a lipstick from Iconic London in the shade Love Struck. So let's go ahead and do a little swatch, and I have to smell it. It smells like toothpaste. Oh my god, it smells like mintiness. Here is, it is a lip gloss, and it says that it is a lip plumping lip gloss, and I already have lipstick on and I don't feel like taking it off, so I'll keep you guys updated on how I think about it. But here it is. It's a sheer pink. It smells really good, and I honestly can't wait to try it because I never tried a lip plumping gloss before, so let's see if it's good or not. Next thing I got is, oh my god, it's a liquid eyeliner from Smashbox. I only tried one of their things, and this is so pretty. It is a felt tip liner, and I really like this, and I'm glad that it's in black because I always use a black eyeliner. But let's do a nice little swatch. Oh wow, that is super nice. It's nice and dark, and so far it's not bleeding through, so you don't see any type of bleeding whatsoever, so that's good. Next thing I got, oh my gosh, I got a sponge from Illuminati. So this is a black sponge from the brand Illuminati, which is kind of weird. I swear I'm not in the Illuminati. It's it feels very hard. It doesn't feel soft like the beauty blender, but we'll test that out in a different video. I'll keep you guys updated with this. So that's pretty nice. I like that. The name kind of freaks me out, you know, Halloween, Illuminati, creepy stuff. There you go, guys. Alright, next thing I got is from the brand Touch in Soul, and this is a glassy skin balm. I never heard of a skin balm. Is that like the same thing as like a body butter or lotion or something like that? And I never had anything from that brand, Touch in Soul. Ooh, that's so pretty packaging. You guys see that? It says glossy. It says glossy on there. And I really like the pink. I like the pale pink. Let's open it up. Ooh, it smells like lotion. And let's do a little... Ooh, it feels like hard gelatin. That's what it feels like to me. And yep, it just absorbs into the skin very well. I'm gonna have a lot of use of this because I do have dry skin, so I can't wait to put this to the test and see the long-term effects of it. And I will also keep you guys updated. And there is 1.05 ounces in here, 30 grams, pretty good. Love that. Alright, and the last item in here is from the brand Dose of Colors, and this is the Blushing Berries palette. I'm assuming it's an eyeshadow palette. And let's open her up. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. I can see myself in it. Love that. It is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free, so that is wonderful. Wonderful. Ooh, oh no! There's some all over the mirror. Oh no. It's alright. At least it's not completely destroyed. But there's some on the mirror. But here are the shades. It is Black Cherry, Mixed Berries, Berry Pop, Roseberry, and Berry Cheek. chic. I don't know. So let's do just some rough swatches. It's not professional or whatever. So this one right here is Berry Chic, and put that right on top. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. Let's do another one on top of it. Oh yeah, and it feels so buttery too. It's a really pretty shade. Next one is Roseberry. Put that right under there. Oh yes, I really like how it looked. That one's probably my favorite shade so far. Next one is Berry Pop, and put that right under that one. Ooh, that one didn't swatch as well, but it's fine because it's still such a pretty color. And swatches doesn't really define how a shade actually performs on your lid. Next one is Mixed Berries, and put that right under there. That is also such a pretty color. Ooh, really love that. And then the last one is Berry Black, and hopefully this one comes out like a very good black shade. And it feels so buttery. I can't get over that. And then right under there. Ooh, you guys, look at that. That is such a dark black. Actually, that I'm actually really impressed, because I know it's hard to get a really good black, but really impressed with these swatches so far. All right, so going over prices. So the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, this is $32. So right off the bat, I already got my money's worth, because BoxyCharm is $21.99 a month. So really excited about that. Next product is the Touch and Soul Skin Balm, and this is also $32. Next thing is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. This is $26. Like, wow, we got a lot of expensive products in BoxyCharm. Really love that, actually. The Smashbox Liquid Liner, it is $22. And then finally, the Illuminati Black Sponge, it is $21. So the grand total for this box is that much. So I definitely got my money's worth for sure. I used to have Ipsy, but you know, Ipsy they're all sample products. It is $10 a month, $10 less, but I feel like you're not really getting your money's worth, because mostly in the Ipsy that I got, it was just skincare, and I'm not really into skincare like that. I'm really makeup heavy, so that was pretty much a downer. And like I said, sample sizes go by so quick, and so I feel like for $11 more, you definitely do get a lot more. And BoxyCharm is full-size products, so you are getting your money's worth. You're getting amazing brands in there, you're getting amazing products, and I highly suggest you guys check it out. I will leave my little like code linking thingy, so you get a free gift, I get a free gift. So if you want to try it out, we get free gifts or whatever. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Don't be scared to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.